Number 1. Promotes weight loss. If you've tried all the diet plans people swear by and ran for miles on your treadmill, but still your weight is stuck, try some green coffee. It's time you give your body the much needed push to lose some weight. Adding green coffee to your daily routine gives your metabolism that extra kick and helps you lose weight faster. Drinking green coffee makes you feel fuller, which prevents you from overeating and gaining weight. It also has an incredible fat-cutting ability and naturally lowers the blood sugar level. Believe it or not, green coffee can be your best friend in your weight loss journey. Number 2. Detoxes and promotes a healthy and bouncy skin. Drinking green coffee and applying its extract to your skin can be really beneficial. Green coffee is rich in antioxidants and works to eliminate the free radicals in the body that causes skin aging, wrinkles, and loss of skin elasticity. Health experts suggest that green coffee beans may boost collagen production, thus resulting in tighter and smoother skin. The chlorogenic acid present in the green coffee beans reduces the effects of sunburns and smoothens the skin. Let's talk about the third benefit, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Green coffee beans should be your first pick if you want something that can meet all of your body's antioxidant needs. Green coffee is available throughout the year, so you won't have to wait a whole year for the antioxidant boosting berries to reap their benefits. The antioxidants fight the free radicals in the body and result in numerous health benefits. Green coffee beans are reservoirs of antioxidants that strengthen your immunity and improve overall health. Number 4. Promotes healthy and strong hair. It's time to get rid of all the hair products that promised healthy, strong hair but didn't deliver. Instead, start including green coffee in your daily diet. Drinking green coffee strengthens the hair from within, and applying the green coffee extract or making a paste from the green coffee beans powder and then using it as a mask does wonders to the hair. Green coffee beans can restore the hair's natural luster and shine, eliminate dandruff, and miraculously reduce hair fall. Research suggests that green coffee extracts can help stimulate the hair to grow longer in a short duration of time. Number 5. It keeps you awake, active, and alert. Almost all of us struggle to get out of bed in the morning and stay awake. If you arrive at work with half your eyes closed, yearning to go back to bed and sleep again, try sipping green coffee first thing in the morning. With the first use, you will notice a considerable difference. Green coffee gives you the energy boost to stay awake, active, and alert. It has caffeine content higher than regular coffee, just the right amount to help you kickstart your day. Number 6. Reduces the chances of life-threatening diseases like cancer. The world is shifting from cure to prevention by using natural products, and green coffee beans are one of the most promising products that can prevent several diseases. Green coffee beans are widely known for the fantastic health benefits it possesses. It improves the quality of life and strengthens the body immunity to fight against various diseases. Green coffee beans are high in important minerals, antioxidants, and chlorogenic acid. Recent research has proven that the chlorogenic acid found in green coffee beans can significantly help in reducing the chances of cancerous mutation of the cells. It also helps to prevent the formation of cancerous tumors. Drinking coffee have absolutely no side effects. So what are you waiting for? Get your green coffee right now. Number 7. Uplifts your mood. As we mentioned earlier, green coffee is high in antioxidants, which have numerous health benefits. Some of these benefits have lasting positive health outcomes, such as green coffee is known to prevent Alzheimer's disease. The caffeine found in the green coffee beans stimulates dopamine production, a neurotransmitter responsible for uplifting the mood and improving brain function. Also, if you are an athlete practicing high endurance training for marathon running, try drinking green coffee daily. Green coffee dramatically enhances blood circulation, which promotes endurance and performance in athletes. Number 8. Good for heart health. Green coffee beans have exceptionally beneficial properties of lowering the blood sugar levels, keeping the blood pressure rates regular, and balancing the cholesterol levels. Due to these amazing capabilities, drinking green coffee becomes essential for people at risk of heart diseases or those already living with a cardiac disease. Several studies have indicated that you can reduce the bad cholesterol in your body and prevent the blockages in arteries and veins by consuming green coffee. You can also avoid heart diseases resulting from hypertension, obesity, high sugar levels, and heart blockages with green coffee beans easily. Watch this playlist for some amazing weight loss tips. We bet you can't wait to grab some green coffee after watching this video. But hey, before you go, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay connected with us.